Welcome back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 21st of January, 2020.
Hi, everybody.
Good hot chocolate on a cold day. Man, good day. As you can see, Mom was a little proud of her 49ers. They're headed back to the Super Bowl in quite a while.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Sorry, Kimster.
I'm sorry we beat you.
It was a good game anyway. All right, guys, let's move on. This week in the shopping projects completed. We were busy little bees in the shop.
Yes, we were.
It was a 3-day weekend, so we're coming to you a day late. But it gave us an opportunity to get a lot done. First of all, Mama sanded on some slabs, got them looking really nice. Now, these were the
Matter of fact, I want
slabs,
some.
Yeah, that a young lady bought from us ordered back in, I want to say, October. We cut them for her, put them in the kiln, and they were ready really by November. They were pretty dry actually already.
Yeah,
the tree had been
somewhere
down
around
for quite a while.
Thanksgiving.
But anyhow, right around it was the week of Thanksgiving they were ready, but our schedules kept kind of not jihawing, and she finally got up here after several attempts to try and get up here. She got up here, but the slabs looked really
pretty.
Good, so beautiful. She actually ordered one, but left with 2, which was good because we got 4 left, I think.
And they're all really pretty ones too.
Really pretty ones. We're going to also work on Martha's table. That's right.
Yes.
She's been working on this table for a while now, getting it right. It's looking really good. So we'll have to show some pictures of that after it's delivered, and more on that in just a little bit. Loretta worked on some cutting boards. Now this is really nice. Now what did we learned? The fancy word for a cutting board is
charcuterie.
Charcuterie board, which apparently is French for meat and cheese, or cheese and meats.
Cheese and meats.
Anyhow, she worked on a bunch of those, and we'll be having those at future shows, and we'll talk more about that in a little bit. Loretta, let's see, what else did you do? Oh, Loretta worked on this, you did several resin pours.
Yes, yep. I did. I made some jewelry and did some seashells and some other stuff. And I cleaned up the mom shop.
Right. That was a lot of work over there.
Freezing!
I missed that one. Millhand Michael and I worked over in the pasture that is now being turned partially into a wood storage area. As we cut the wood, it'll be put over there. I'm calling them in tents. They're actually technically greenhouses, portable greenhouses. We'll be putting that wood up probably starting in the next 3 or 4 weeks, and we'll talk again more about that in a little bit.
Oreo was cooking real well.
That's it. Yeah, we made a big bonfire of all those limbs that had fallen. So yeah,
right on top of Oreo.
Right on the pour over where Oreo the cow was buried. Daniel, Michael, and I finally really got to put a good weekend's worth of work into Kimmy's storage cave.
Storage shed.
I keep wanting to say mom cave, but storage shed.
It is a mom cave, really.
It's 9 by 20. And we kind of lost a little bit of time on Sunday when we were working on it, because it was raining Saturday, so we didn't get to work on it. Sunday and Monday, the holiday, we got to work on it. But we lost some time on Sunday morning because we had to run all the way to Augusta to pick up some parts and stuff to finish up. So we lost a little bit of time. But that was a pretty busy week last week. All right, guys, let's move on.
It's really looking good, though.
Upcoming for Two Dogs, we're going to finish Kimmy's shed. We have the 2 end walls to put on, which we're putting up 1 by 12 board and batten. So that's 18 total boards we got left to hang, and we got to put the roof system on, which sounds a lot worse than what it's going to be, but it's going to be super easy, super quick. Then we got to put the metal on, get that done. We're going to finish the wood storage area over here. Me and Millhand Michael are going to try to get that done sometime next week. If not next week, then the week after. And we got to get started on some custom sawing jobs.
Yes, we got a lot of those.
Yeah, we got a lot coming up. We've got somebody who wants 24 2x4s, rough cut. They want 14 4x4s. And we got a gentleman who wants just a stack of lumber.
Whatever you can cut.
Yeah, he's not really sure how board feet work, but he did send me some pictures, and he does some really nice work. As he told me, just a country guy, and he wants to get some wood to do some projects with. And Loretta is going to finish on Martha's table. Now, what is the delivery on Martha's table?
Martha will get to Florida, to her new little home, and I would like to have it there after she gets there, or have it there before she gets there, all wrapped up, maybe leave it with Ree, and then when she gets there, she can be surprised when she sees it.
Okay, all right. And then you got a little bit of a vacation coming up.
Yes, I do.
Not talk too much about that.
Y'all take care of your daddy while I'm gone.
All righty. So that's the immediate plans for maybe the next week or two upcoming for Two Dogs. All right, guys, let's move on. I think it's what, 37 degrees outside, about 27 in here. This hot chocolate is really, really good this evening. Not missing the sweet
Inside of my
iced tea.
palms are warm. The outside on my knuckles are freezing.
Now, I'm not missing that sweet iced tea right now. Alrighty, guys, let's bring back an old segment that we haven't talked about in a while and talk about it tonight. Shows and markets, markets and shows. Wow, Mama just kicked the camera. Sorry for the movement. We have started up with our shows, and what we've got coming on is 11th of April 2020, Old Buckhead Days. We went to Buckhead back 2 years ago and had a great time there. It was rainy. They put us in the fire station right next to the band, but great group of people. We're
Yes.
looking forward to going back there.
They were
this
nice.
year. Yeah, it's going to be exciting.
We did a little bit of business, not a lot, but we were right by the bathrooms too, which
Yeah,
made it
so
an A-OK thing.
That's it, yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't have to run
I think
far.
Tangi was pregnant at the time, so she didn't.
Yeah,
she
I
needed
can't
to go.
remember. I just
No,
remember-
not that time, because
no.
that was 2 years ago.
I don't remember anything, but we had a great time there, so we're looking forward to it. And we may have another market that we'll be doing down in Augusta, which will be Sundays. Time and everything else to be announced later.
It's the market at the marina.
Yeah, market-
So it's
Fifth and-
actually
Fifth and Marina.
Fifth and Marina.
Yeah.
So it's actually down there, I guess, where the marina
So,
is.
Yeah, we'll give you more information on that as we kind of figure out if we're going to be attending that or not, but we'll let you know more later. Well, that's about it for this evening. Do you have anything for them? Are you going to talk about your vacation?
Oh, my vacation, yes. I'm going to be gone for a few days. I'm not going very far, but somebody has to take care of your daddy. Make sure he's fed.
All
Nothing
right.
else, just make sure he's fed.
That's it. That's
And
what
then
you
when
do.
we get back, when I get back, it'll be next Tuesday, which will be Daddy's birthday. We'll be doing the video that night, so we're going to have his party the following weekend.
All right. Well, looking forward to that. Hopefully see everybody. Well, I really do think that is about it for this evening. As always, we'd like to say thank you for watching the video. And remember, we'd love to see you back in the shop. Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday, the 21st of January. That lisp came out. All the years of training, huh?
All that therapy and it didn't work.
Welcome back to the shop. It's Monday. No, it's not.
It's Tuesday.
God. All right, let's try. Welcome back to the shop. It's Tuesday, the 21st of January. Let's try not to lisp on that one.